Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about the websites, best websites from where you can learn a particular premium skill which we are talking about in the video. So guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I will teach you about how you can the best website from where you can learn the Ruby programming language. Ruby is a new language, not that much new, but is a new language and is now growing rapidly, so it's a time to learn Ruby language. This is the one of the best programming language, and let's go. So guys, as you know, our video format that first of all we will go to Fiverr.com and check the demand and the skill and the competition of that skill, and then we will go towards our website. So I'm going to Fiverr.com. If you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can learn, from where you can sell your services online and earn through it. So I'm going to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. Here I search Ruby. As you can see, there is only 103 services available. Okay. So this is the first gig. I open it. Second gig. Third gig. So let's analyze these gigs and then we will move towards our website part. So the first is Ruby Monkey Solvena. 532 orders completed, 163 5-star reviews, Fiverr choice. That's great. So let's move. In basic package, he charged $150 and bug small task fix bugs or small tasks. Okay. In standard, he charged $800. Add new features to existing application. Okay. In premium, he charged $3,000 and create new application. Okay. You can also check out his gigs and profile and his skills. Compare his packages and read his FAQs and completely analyze his gig and make your gig according to it. So that's it for this gig. Let's move towards our next gig, which is Masila from Kenya. 197 orders completed. Basic bugs, small task, fix bugs or small task, $50 charge. $500 charge, feature small app. Add new feature to existing application. Okay. In premium, he charged $2,000 web application, create new web application. Okay. He charged $197. Sorry, he completed 197 orders and 67 5-star reviews. You can also check out his description and take an idea and make your own in your own words. So that's it for this. And let's move towards our last gig, which is from Asim Sikka, Pakistan. He completed 97 orders, 61 5-star reviews. In basic, he charged $200 and ROR development ROR website. Okay. ROR means Ruby on Rails. In standard, Ruby on Rails full stack development ROR website. Okay. In premium, he charged $1,600 and ROR full stack development complete website development for total 8 hours on Ruby on Rails. Okay. 10 days delivery, 4 revisions. Okay, that's great. You can also compare his gigs packages, and you can also read out his FAQs and learn about his gig description. Make your own. Do not copy his description because Fiverr will derank your gig. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move towards our uh, websites. So the first website is called rubylang.org. This is the official language website. So you can click on documentation. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. Otherwise, you can also check out their news. If you want to install Ruby, click there. Installation guide. Why program? Learn to program. When you click on this, programming Ruby manuals, you can click on this. Ruby programming wiki book. programmer's book. You can learn from their official API documentation. You can learn from this. And my recommendation is this website. You can learn Ruby language from this website very easily. So let's move towards our next website, which is called rubymock.com. Learn Ruby, Ruby Premier. You can attend the courses here and learn according to it. Ruby Premier Ascent, metaprogramming Ruby. I largely emphasize on like metaprogramming by Ruby. But you can complete the whole courses, start from the beginner, Ruby Premier, and then move towards the courses. So that's it. And these are the two websites to learn Ruby language. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friend and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.